For centuries, humans believed the universe was everything we could see. The stars. The galaxies. The light traveling across billions of years. But NASA discovered something that changed our understanding of reality. Most of the universe is invisible. Not because it is empty. Because our eyes were never designed to see the full cosmos. Visible light is only a tiny part of the electromagnetic spectrum. Beyond it, hidden signals are everywhere. Infrared light from ancient galaxies. X-rays from violent cosmic events. And gravitational waves created by the movement of massive objects. The universe was always sending us messages. We just didn't have the technology to understand them. Then NASA built new eyes for humanity. And we started discovering a universe that was there all along. For thousands of years, humans believed that seeing was the same as understanding. If something produced light, we could discover it. But the universe is not built around human vision. Our eyes can only detect a tiny fraction of all the signals traveling through space. Visible light is just one small window into reality. Beyond that window is a hidden cosmos filled with information. Infrared light can reveal objects hidden behind cosmic dust. X-rays expose some of the most violent events in the universe. Radio waves allow scientists to study distant galaxies and mysterious signals traveling across space. And gravitational waves reveal something even stranger. The movement of massive objects can create ripples in the fabric of space itself. The universe was never silent. It was always sending messages. Humanity simply needed new ways to listen. One of the greatest examples of this new vision is the James Webb Space Telescope. But Webb is not simply a more powerful version of older telescopes. It was designed to see a universe that was hidden from us. Because light from the earliest galaxies has traveled across space for billions of years, and during that journey, it was stretched into infrared wavelengths. James Webb can detect this ancient infrared light. That means it is not only looking farther into space. It is looking deeper into the past. Some of the galaxies Webb observes existed when the universe was only a few 100 million years old. It is like finding a message from the childhood of the cosmos. But even James Webb has limits. The most mysterious things in the universe are not just too far away to see. Some of them do not emit light at all. And this is where one of the biggest mysteries in modern science begins. One of the biggest mysteries NASA and scientists are trying to understand is something we cannot see. Dark matter. Every galaxy in the universe behaves as if it contains far more mass than the stars and gas we can observe. Scientists discovered this because galaxies rotate in ways that should be impossible if only visible matter existed. Something invisible is creating gravity. Something we cannot photograph. Something we cannot touch. But its influence is everywhere. Dark matter does not appear to interact with light, which makes it almost completely hidden from our telescopes. Yet without it, galaxies may never have formed the way we see them today. The strange truth is, the stars we see might only be the visible pieces of a much larger invisible structure holding the universe together. And the more scientists search for dark matter, the more they realize the universe is far stranger than human imagination.
Black holes may be the most extreme examples of the invisible universe. They do not shine like stars, they do not reflect light. In fact, nothing can escape from beyond their event horizon, not even light itself. So how do we know they exist? Because the universe reveals them through their effects. Scientists can observe stars moving around something massive, but invisible. They can detect hot gas being pulled into a region where gravity becomes unbelievably powerful. And sometimes, the universe gives us an even more incredible clue. When two black holes collide, they do not create a normal explosion, they create waves in spacetime itself. Tiny distortions traveling across the universe at the speed of light. For billions of years, these waves move silently through the cosmos. Until one day, they reach Earth, and when they arrive, they tell us a story about a cosmic event that happened long before humans existed. For most of human history, we believed the universe could only be explored through light. But then scientists built a completely new kind of detector. LIGO. Instead of looking into space, LIGO listens for the movement of space itself. In 2015, LIGO detected something that changed astronomy forever. A signal from two merging black holes, more than 1 billion light-years away. The collision had already happened long before the signal reached Earth. But those tiny vibrations carried the evidence of that ancient event. It was the first direct detection of gravitational waves, confirming one of Einstein's most important predictions. Humanity had discovered a new way to explore the cosmos, not by seeing the universe, but by feeling its movements. The invisible universe was no longer completely hidden. For the first time, space itself became a messenger. But gravitational waves are only one piece of the hidden universe. NASA and other space agencies are building instruments that can detect signals our eyes could never capture. Infrared telescopes reveal ancient galaxies hidden behind clouds of dust. X-ray observatories uncover extreme environments around neutron stars and black holes. Radio telescopes detect powerful signals from objects billions of light-years away. Each method reveals a different layer of reality. It is like exploring a giant invisible ocean, where every new instrument allows us to see deeper beneath the surface. And this changes the biggest question in astronomy. We are no longer asking only, what can we see in the universe? We are asking something much bigger. What exists beyond what our senses can detect? Because every time humanity discovers a new way to observe the cosmos, the universe becomes larger, stranger, and more mysterious. The invisible universe has changed the way we think about reality. For centuries, humans believed that the universe was made of stars, planets, and galaxies. But modern discoveries revealed something unexpected. The things we can see may only represent a small fraction of everything that exists. There are forces shaping galaxies that we cannot directly observe. There are signals traveling through space that we cannot detect with our own senses. There are cosmic events happening right now whose evidence may not reach Earth for millions or even billions of years. Every telescope, every detector, and every new technology is like opening another door into the universe. And behind every door is a discovery that challenges what we thought we knew. The biggest mystery of space is not only what we have found. It is how much is still hidden, waiting for us to discover. Maybe the most surprising discovery is this. The universe was never hiding its secrets from us. The signals were always there. The light was always traveling. The waves were always moving through space. We were simply missing the tools to understand them. NASA's discoveries remind us that reality is much bigger than what our eyes can reveal. Every invisible signal tells a story. A story of ancient galaxies, a story of black holes colliding. A story of a universe constantly changing, and somewhere, right now, there are cosmic events happening that Earth will not know about for millions of years. Because the universe does not send us its present. It sends us echoes of its past, and every time we learn how to listen, we discover a reality that was waiting for us all along.